Hi there, this is Tech Devotee. As you know, I have already made an unboxing video on MI air compressor. I have been using the device from past 1 month and it is the time to talk about performance. This part of video is made after using the device for a couple of weeks. Let's talk about performance aspects and we'll begin with air filling rate. I am testing on spare tire which is having low air levels as I do not usually monitor. Here you go. It reads 16 psi and I am keeping target as 34 psi before starting. As you notice, it is taking around 10 seconds in the beginning for 1 psi, going at the rate of 20 seconds per subsequent psi on an average. LED indicator looks inconsistent when you run the device, maybe a bug. I am fast forwarding the video towards the end of this clip. Device stops air filling on its own on reaching 34 psi. It took close to 7 minutes to fill the tire from 16 psi to 34 psi, that is 18 psi in total. Average filling rate here is around 20 seconds per psi, maybe because device was heated when used for more than 5 minutes. If you use it to fill lesser amount of air, average filling rate comes down to 10 seconds per psi. Device itself is warm and there is a warmness in air hose as well. You will feel little heat when removing the thread and slowly removing might consume half a psi. Again, LED indicator turned white, really not sure on this at the moment. Even though it looks on slower side compared to air filling stations at petrol pump, it is not the actual case if you compare the total time required as you see here in hypothetical example. Consider you need to top up 10 psi on each of the 4 tires. For anyone, air filling station is at least 1 kilometer away from home. Hence, it takes 5 minutes in best case to reach 1 kilometer. So it is 10 minutes to and fro. Once you reach air filling station, you cannot be the first in queue all the time. Consider wait time of 5 minutes. It usually takes 1 second per psi here, but filling time should involve time required to set the pressure, dragging the hose across the tires, and payment, which is 5 minutes in the best case. In total, you need to spend minimum 20 minutes in the best case, which is irrespective of psi and the number of tires you are going to fill. Now, with our MI electrical air pump, it takes around 3 minutes to top up 10 psi per tire. 12 minutes in total for 4 tires. Even if you consider adding 3 more minutes in fixing and removing air hose thread, it is 15 minutes in total. Moreover, it is the matter of cost versus convenience, especially during COVID situation. I am not motivating anyone to buy this device, but the message here is that this device is more suitable for top-ups up to 10 to 15 psi per tire, and it comes handy in emergency scenarios also. But note that you can run the device up to 30 minutes continuously on full charge. In summary, device is more suitable for both 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler users for regular top-ups which involves 10 to 15 psi per tire. Definitely not suitable for commercial purpose, that is for puncture shops. Next aspect is accuracy of readings here. To test this, I filled one of the tires to 30 psi and went to air filling station to cross-check the readings. Good to see that reading is matching as you notice here. Filling started from 30 psi itself when I got it filled toward 34 psi in fraction of second. Battery drain and standby are shown in this table. I have been using the device from past 1 month. This is my usage pattern. Standby time is clearly shown here. If you have found the video useful, please do not forget to hit like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in my next video soon.